mywealth.com. I'm Bob O'Brien, the head instructor with the courses. Welcome to the blog for the day. The stock market sell-off. A lot of you know the stock market sold off pretty big yesterday, and there's actually some pretty good numbers that came out from the ISM, which really leads me to believe that the bulls are getting tired. And the bears are winning here. And any of you that have gone through our courses, or especially our stock trading course, it's a battle against the bulls and the bears, and the bids and the asks, and that's how you get a price on anything, just like real estate or pricing on anything. So there's a real battle going on today as I speak, Wednesday, September 2nd, because the market's not really going anywhere. So you have a good pull of bulls and bears. And based upon the fact that the bulls have been winning lately, the bears are really getting momentum. So it leads me to believe that there's going to be a bit of a sell-off. But things are still good. The economy is continuing to get better. I think we're going to see growth in the third and fourth quarter of this year, which bodes well for the stock market. But there are still a lot of questions out there that need to be answered and so forth, and these are very interesting times. So you definitely, if you haven't paid attention about your money in the past, you definitely want to do it now.
Be certain to check out the written blog at www.mywealth.com/blog. Okay, so a lot of people have been debating the question, has this run-up since March been a bear market rally? In other words, we're in a bear market, but we're getting a rally right now to this point. And my opinion is, who really cares? Since the lows of March 2009, the stock market lows, I really think with the whole economic crisis that we've seen unfold over the last year and a half, however you want to define it, should really be an eye-opener to everyone. And regardless of what you do, even if you're not an investor, I mean, a lot of things have changed. The consumer has changed. Everything has changed. So styles have to change and have to adapt because and you really need to throw out your old playbook if you're investing and so forth, and make certain that your strategy is up to date for the 21st century, because the game really has completely changed. There's definitely a new normal, and the stock market is and still very much like, and probably will be, a trader's market. In other words, you could continue to see some very, very heavy swings in the market due to just reorganizations, what the Fed is doing, what their comments are, and so forth. And as organizations restructure themselves, whether it be businesses due to layoffs or other businesses going out of business, of course some companies are going to survive this difficult time, but it's going to take time before we see real economic growth again, because we really just haven't. The current run-up in the market has really been due to monetary stimulus and some fiscal stimulus, which hasn't exactly kicked in yet. These are the type of things we like to go through in our courses, so don't wait. Get educated. Take control of your investing at www.mywealth.com.
Again, I just want to be clear that, you don't want to be too pessimistic here. It's no big deal if the stock market sells off a little bit. I don't think we're looking at anything what we saw late last year in the fall with a huge sell-off, about this time last year, and then, of course, in February, March. I don't think we're looking at a huge sell-off. And who knows? I mean, again, this is just my own personal take on things. You always do your own homework and have your own opinions. And feel free to write those in on the blog, your comments and so forth. I appreciate them. I don't claim to have, to be able to see the future or anything like that. But it's definitely worth your while. Most investors think, I can't see the future, and they become incredibly passive with their money. That's the mistake that I'm trying to make certain that you avoid, and that's why we have My Wealth courses, and that's why you should definitely take them. Investing 101 course is just $99. Stock trading course, $149. Our currency course, $99. And of course, our ETF course, $199. Definitely get in the course. You won't regret it. You're going to learn a ton, and you really need to know this stuff. You get to ask questions as well. I'm Bob O'Brien. I look forward to seeing you in a course, and have a great day.